Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when it's cup hands, the next one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So I'm still in Lusaka. Today I'm going to the mall. I want to go and have some tacos. I've never had tacos, so I want to go and taste them. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yeah.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got the ass to the floor.
The problem with living with my brothers is that they leave me. And now I'm alone recording and statistics. But anyways, let me catch up guys. We'll talk to you later. Hey guys, so we're here now and we're just checking out the menu, and then yeah, I want some tacos and some fries. Yeah, fries.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around, find one to see my.
Guys, look at how nice the drink is. Let's try the tacos now. So we're done eating and it was too good. And this drink, strawberry fizz, it's really nice. If you ever come to the Fat Chef, get this drink, guys. We'll be leaving soon. Looks like it's about to rain. I can feel some shower. So we are done now and we are going home, and look at the rain. It's actually quite easy. I feel like I'm in London, like it's giving London vibes, you know what I mean? Like back in the UK. But yeah, we're going back home and that's basically it for the day. Yeah. Hey friends, how are you guys doing? So I'm back home now. I don't think I told you guys when I came back, but anyways, yeah, I'm back home and we're cooking supper right now. Do not say anything. You know those tacos were tiny, so I had to add something on top in order for me to sleep peacefully. But yeah, I just want to talk about the Fat Chef, guys. The food was so good. I got Korean barbecue beef taco, Dennis got chicken tacos, and Chibwe got the beef tacos, and both of them said they were nice, so you should definitely check them out. And the mocktail, guys, I got a strawberry fizz mocktail. That mocktail was so good. It was so refreshing. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's so hot right now. I think I'll just watch my favorite comfort movie, To All the Boys. I love that movie so much. I love it so much. Yeah, but I think that's just what I'm gonna do. And yeah, that's how my night will end. Guys, the rice with chicken just for control, you know how it is. But this salad, elite. Let me show you the salad dressing. So this is the one that we're using and it tastes so nice. Hey friends, I'm back home now. I don't know why I like telling you guys I'm back home, but yeah, I'm from eating dunked wings and I just want to say KFC. Like, what did you guys put in those wings? But yeah, right now I'm just relaxing. There's no power. Hasn't been power since 8 and this is like 17. So hopefully it comes back soon because there's literally nothing to do and my phone will go off. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up. We'll talk later.